So in today's video, we are going to be making these luxurious bling nails for a customer who already ordered them. When I first start doing these nails, I usually put down a glitter gel polish first and then apply the rhinestones, only because these rhinestones are round, so you will be able to see in between them, and it just creates a pretty background for the rhinestones. So on the aluminum foil, that's where I put my glue, and I use a dotting tool to apply it. And I basically dot it onto exactly where I'm going to place the rhinestone on the nail, because this glue does expand as it dries, so I try not to use a lot. If you would like to know which glue I use to hold my rhinestones on, please leave a comment below and I will give you that information. The glue that I use is a very strong glue. It takes about 24 hours for it to fully cure and dry. But once they are on, they are not coming off. You're going to have to pry them off, so I don't have to worry about customers complaining that their rhinestones fell off. If you would like to order this set of nails, they are listed on my website. My website is located in the bio of this video. However, if it is your first time wearing press-on nails or wearing my press-on nails, I would suggest getting the Fit Me kit so that you can figure out which nails work for your hands, or you can order the preset sizes, which come in small, extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, or you can do custom with your own nail sizes. The customer who ordered this, it was her first time ordering nails, and when she got them, none of them fit her hands, so she ended up having to buy. I ended up sending her the Fit Me kit, and then she ended up purchasing them again in the correct size. So I would definitely suggest getting the Fit Me kit so you know what fits for your hands. So now that I have completed them, I will go ahead and get them ready to be boxed. And once they are boxed, I will take them to the post office to be shipped. And that is all. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you on the next one.